Hey guys, we're at the Calder Highway level crossing number 2 in Inglewood. I believe this crossing is disused. No, it is not. So this crossing is actually in use. The gates aren't actually being held up by the little holders like the ones near Bridgewater are. Such as Derby and Morong. So this crossing has 10 Westinghouse LEDs and 3 Westinghouse cross arms, 2 Safetran Type 3 e-bells, an Artcraft healthy state indicator on the outside, 2 Safetran gate mechanisms, 2 unmarked bases, and the flat gates with those weird gate lights that I still don't know. So this is a freight only line and is used by freight trains only, which is what freight only means. But yeah, so now I'm going to give a crossing tour. Alright, so on the first signal here, like I said, we have a unmarked base, a Safetran signal gate mechanism, 6 Westinghouse marked LEDs. 2 of them have got little pieces of tape, the other one's got numbers on it, don't know what that means, and 2 Westinghouse cross arms, a Safetran Type 3 e-bell, and those weird gate lights on a flat gate. This is looking into Inglewood, towards the Inglewood station and then north. Signal boxes over here, the test switch over here, and the signal boxes here. Pretty simple. That's looking down towards not Inglewood, Inglewood's that way. Not Inglewood, Bridgewater. So that's looking down the line that way, and that's, like I said, looking towards the station. Something's obviously come along here with water, because this is all covered in water here. So obviously a freight train. Here's the holder on the lock on the gate, but obviously it's not connected to the pole, so it's obviously in use. Now I'll go to the other signal. Alright, so now on the other side of the crossing, we have an unmarked base, a Safetran gate mechanism, 4 Westinghouse marked LEDs with a Westinghouse cross arm. One's got a red piece of tape with some numbers on it, 78647063, and one's got a green piece of tape on it, nothing on it. We have our healthy state indicator and a Safetran Type 3 e-bell, those gate lights, and a flat gate. You can see here it's not connected, which means it's in use. And I just noticed over here, this concrete block here, that's, and then no chance of moving that. And then over here, see the water again, there's actually a big space here. Now this would obviously be from a signal, but as you can see, it's no more these days. And then some track numbers there. But I'll go around, take some photos, and then that'll be the end of the video. So like and subscribe, and let's check out some photos.